In this Middleman Money review, I'm going to be showing you a course where they're claiming that you can turn $7 into $30 multiple times per day by acting as a middleman. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out MiddleMan Money, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to get access to if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, learn how we literally copy and paste to turn $7 into $30 multiple times per day by acting as a middleman online. And essentially what this method entails is by going on places like Fiverr and selling gigs for a price that is higher than what you are actually paying for them to get done. So you sell a gig, you go and you have someone else do the work for you, and you keep the money in the middle. So let's say that you charge $10 and you pay someone $5 to do it for you, then you keep that $5 in between. So it's the whole thing about like turning $7 into $30. It sounds great. I don't know how many times you're going to actually be able to do this per day. You will have to get like a set of clients set up for this, but it is a way of actually making money. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video of Fergal explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area and the OTOs.
Would you like to learn my literal copy and paste system that allows me to turn $7 into $30, $40, even $50 multiple times per day while acting only as a middleman online and while only working minutes per day? What's up, guys? It is Fergal Downs here, and first of all I want to say a massive welcome to you to my Middleman Money course. Inside this course I'm going to be showing you how you can turn $7 into $30, $40, $50 multiple times per day while only acting like a middleman online. You're going to be copying from one place online, you're going to be pasting into another place online, and you siphon off all the profits in the process, turning literally $7 into $30 or more every single time that you do this. And I'm going to show you how you can do this multiple times every single day. So Middleman Money is by far the most passive way that you can make money online. It's by far the simplest way that you can make money online. You need the least skills. In fact, you don't need any tech skills whatsoever to do this. You need the least computer experience. You don't need any computer experience to be able to do this. It's the most beginner-friendly way to be able to make money online, bar none. You can literally teach your 90-year-old grandmother how to do this. You can teach a 6-year-old child how to do this. You don't need a domain. You don't need a website. You don't need an email autoresponder. You don't need any of that stuff. There's no overheads with this system whatsoever. I literally show you how to do it inside this course. You can get started today on this method. So included in your low price that you can see below this video is direct support from me. You're going to have direct access to me. You're also going to have direct access to the Middleman Money community. So everyone who joins this course is going to be inside a Facebook group. You're going to have access to them. You're going to have access to me every single day. Should you need any support or should you have any questions, I will be there for you. And you get that all included in your low price that you can see below this video now. So guys, if you are looking for a method that has absolutely no overheads, that you don't need any tech skills or computer skills or experience to be able to make money with inside the next 48 hours, then this method is for you. So go hit the link below this video, hit the join button and join me inside the members area in just a moment. And I'll see you also in the Facebook group where you will have direct access to me for any questions that you have on the Middleman Money method. So I'll see you inside the members area in just a moment.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase, where they have an overview of the entire system, how to get your offers to rank, where to advertise, the pricing for them, delivery time, your offers, how to outsource everything, dealing with clients, and the conclusion. So it's all a very easy to consume course that you can go through in pretty much a one sitting. You don't have to go day after day of a long course. It's something that you can go through pretty quickly. Now there are multiple upgrades. The first one here is they have one that they'll do it for you. and they'll set up everything for you. So that's the first optional upgrade. The next one here is you can copy their advanced free traffic strategy. So if you want to get free traffic, you can get this upgrade. The next one here is looks like a coaching program from Fergal, 7-figure product launch training. He also has one for a VIP club where he's going to show you how to make up to $10,000 per month here. So this is another offer. And his last one is you can get approved to actually promote this and get 100% of the commissions here for this. So it's up to you what you want to do with this. You can pick and choose which ones you want, which ones you don't, and do as you wish. Okay, so what do I like about MiddleMan Money and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I don't think that people just starting out with this are going to make like tons and tons of money by doing this method. Something that is still a business. You're going to need to work with both the client and the person that is offering the service. So just be aware that there might be some hiccups along the way. What do I like about this? This is kind of a neat method. If you go in and you start doing things like website design, let's say you've got a client that's paying you $500 for a website, but you're paying someone $100 to make that website for you. I mean, there's a lot of room in between there for profit for yourself. So if that sounds like something you'd like to do, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at MiddleMan Money, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.